Section 6 Shaken Not Stirred, Aston Martin and James Bond. No discussion about Aston Martin would be complete without mentioning its most famous ambassador, James Bond. The suave British spy has become synonymous with the luxury car brand, creating a partnership that has spanned decades and captured the imaginations of millions. The iconic British spy and the British luxury car brand have been inextricably linked since 1964, when a silver Aston Martin DB5 graced the silver screen in Goldfinger. This was the beginning of a legendary association that would see the car become an essential part of the Bond identity. The DB5, equipped with an array of gadgets from machine guns to an ejector seat, became as much a star of the film as Sean Connery himself. The car's sleek design and innovative features captured the audience's imagination, making it an instant icon. This partnership solidified Aston Martin's place in popular culture, transforming the DB5 into the most famous car in the world. The car's appearance in Goldfinger was just the beginning, as it would go on to feature in numerous Bond films, each time reinforcing its legendary status. Over the years, Aston Martins have continued to feature in Bond films, becoming an integral part of the franchise's DNA. Each new model brought with it a sense of excitement and anticipation, as fans eagerly awaited to see what new gadgets and features would be introduced. From the rugged DBS in Casino Royale to the futuristic Valhalla concept in No Time to Die, Aston Martins have accompanied Bond on countless adventures, cementing their status as the ultimate gentleman spy's car of choice. Each car not only showcased Aston Martin's engineering prowess, but also added to the mystique and allure of the Bond character. The association with James Bond has undoubtedly benefited both parties. For Aston Martin, it has meant unparalleled global exposure and a permanent place in the annals of cinematic history. For James Bond, the cars have become an essential part of his persona, symbolizing his sophistication, resourcefulness, and style. It has given Aston Martin unparalleled global exposure, further enhancing its image as a brand synonymous with sophistication, adventure, and cutting-edge technology. The Bond films have provided a platform for Aston Martin to showcase its latest innovations and designs, ensuring that the brand remains at the forefront of the luxury car market. This symbiotic relationship has created a legacy that continues to captivate audiences around the world, proving that some partnerships are truly timeless.